Step 17 of the Folding Stool video instructional series, Sanding. Before using a palm sander, check to see that it has sandpaper and that the sandpaper is in good condition. Install a new piece if required. Throw the old sandpaper in the garbage. Start with 100 grit and sand all the flat surfaces to remove all pencil marks, scratches, and shallow dents. Don't over-sand your project. Deep scratches should be steamed out prior to sanding. Proceed with 150 grit and sand all the flat surfaces to further smooth the wood. Hand sand all rounded surfaces by wrapping a piece of sandpaper around a sanding block. This can be done before or after using the palm sanders.